In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add songs to Apple Music with iTunes. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use iTunes to load songs into Apple Music. You can load as many songs as you want, and all of them will be accessible across all of your devices. For this method, you need to connect your iPhone to a PC or laptop, and in there, you need to open the iTunes app. So you can download the iTunes app from the Microsoft Store, and once you have it open, in here is where you will be able to add songs. So connect your iPod to your PC, open iTunes, and it should appear under the devices. If it does not appear here, then it isn't being detected, so try connecting again. If you choose music, you will see all of the songs that are currently loaded into Apple Music and on your iPod or any other device. And now what you have to do is grab songs that you would like to add to Apple Music and drag them into your library. So on the library, go to songs and then drag and drop them here. There's no secret. You just select all of the songs that you would like to transfer over and add them. Once all of the songs have been loaded into the library, select all of them once more. So choose all of the songs, right click, and you will find the option to add to device. Now you have to choose your iOS device where you will be using Apple Music. So this can be an iPhone, an iPad, whatever you have, and once you choose the device from here, they will be loaded into the songs of that specific device. Now, to ensure that everything is going to sync up properly, go into Edit, Preferences at the bottom, and in here, make sure that this option is ticked, iCloud Music Library. This will store your Apple Music songs and playlists in iCloud, so you can access them from all of your devices. So this is just another guarantee that the songs are going to appear. Now you can disconnect your device from the PC and iTunes, and when you go into Apple Music, all of the songs that you have loaded are going to appear under your library. I hope I was able to help you on how to add songs to Apple Music with iTunes. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.